Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note Edge, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. Alright, so first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then we have to find and open the Play Store. So let me find it. Maybe here, it will be much faster. Play Store, right there. Of course, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device, so check our tutorial how to do it if you don't want to do it on your own. So now we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner in the to open your account and go to Manage Apps and Device. Here, let's tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, this is the list of all updates pending. And basically, it depends what you want to do. You can either tap on Update All and download all of them at once, or you can simply choose the specific app from the list and tap on Update next to it. I'm trying not to miss the update button. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.